Meaning of glam rock.
Glam rock.
Glam rock.
Glam rock.
Glam rock. Glam rock is a style of rock music that emerged in the early 1970s, characterized by flamboyant costumes, makeup, and theatrical stage performances. It was associated with an androgynous, sexually ambiguous image and a focus on visual spectacle rather than musical virtuosity. Musically, glam rock drew influences from hard rock, pop, and traditional show tunes, resulting in a sound that was both catchy and theatrical. Some of the most notable glam rock artists include David Bowie, Queen, T-Rex, and Roxy Music. Glam rock had a significant impact on fashion and culture and continues to influence modern music today.